Preserving cultural heritage is one of the most prestigious tasks for a scanning project. More than 1 billion books have been written over the centuries, many of which are extremely rare or were even made individually by hand. The finest books deserve the highest quality scanner and the most cautious, gentle treatment possible. To accomplish optimum preservation at the highest quality level, Image Access has developed the BookTEK 4V2 Professional, the most book-friendly production scanner ever. The scanning area is larger than A2, and the optical resolution of 600 dpi preserves every detail of the original. BookTEK's real scanning technology achieves unmatched resolution and color fidelity, and is superior to even the most expensive digital cameras. It is the first book scanner which can scan books in their natural reading position, flat documents, or folders in a single pass, all with the same device. The dual-function book cradle can easily be put in the V position, which opens the book no further than required for reading. The laser-assisted measurement of the surface properties of the book is followed by a fast scan with high-quality controlled light. The whole process is accomplished in as little as 6 seconds, depending on the resolution. Even at the highest resolution of 600 dpi, the BookTEK 4V2 Professional can digitize more than 400 pages per hour. The scanner has 2 LED light bars, which move over the scanning area, reducing the light impact on the surface to the absolute minimum. The LED lights are also free from any infrared or UV light. The intuitive full-color touchscreen with audio feedback controls most of the machine functionality, and the large 19-inch preview screen provides a high degree of comfort and ease of use to the operator. All of our scanners feature the unique Scan-to-Net technology. It includes a 1 GB network interface and code-free access through any browser, whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux host. The production software Batch Scan Wizard enhances content and increases productivity even more. The software assists in larger conversion jobs. It organizes batches and jobs and keeps track of every change. Creating a job is easy, and job templates can be stored for later use. The Batch Scan Wizard creates a directory structure which is completely under the operator's control. File naming is highly flexible, and more than 100 internal and external variables can be used to automatically generate file names and directory entries. The BookTEK 4V2 Professional is a true production scanner, built to last for millions of scans with little maintenance requirements. Exactly what you would expect from a quality product made in Germany by Image Access.